Welcome to the Divisional Rules slideshow for the Halo Hoops Winter League. These game rules are what set Halo Hoops apart from other youth leagues. They are designed to help each player grow in the game of basketball progressively according to their age and skill level. Here are the general rules for the 8 and 9-year-old division. Games are played 4-on-4 so that players have more space and less distraction to read the defense and make quick decisions. We use a 27-inch junior ball so that players can handle, dribble, and shoot the ball more effectively. Games are played on a shorter court, roughly 60 feet long and 40 feet wide, as opposed to a men's regulation size court that is 90 feet long and 50 feet wide. Rim height is at 9 feet, so each player has a better chance at making shots. Here are the time rules for the 8 and 9-year-old division. Each game is played with 4 10-minute quarters. The game clock is a running clock and does not stop even when the ref blows his whistle. The game clock stops briefly halfway through each quarter to allow for substitutions. Teams are allowed one 30-second timeout per half but cannot be used in the last 2 minutes of each half. Even though the score may be kept during the game, scores are not recorded for team standings for this age group. There is no overtime when a tie occurs. Here are the offensive rules for the 8 and 9-year-old division. No three-point shots are awarded, so players are encouraged to shoot closer to the basket. At halftime, each player gets to shoot one free throw worth 2 points. If made, those points are added to the score before the second half is played. If a player is fouled in the act of shooting but misses the shot, the player shoots one free throw worth 2 points if made. If a player is fouled in the act of shooting and makes the shot, the player is awarded 3 points and the ball changes possession to the opposing team. 4 seconds in the lane will be called so that players learn to move in and out of the lane appropriately. Traveling and double dribble will be called for this age group. Traveling will be called loosely when the ball handler is attempting to stop. If a team is leading by 20 points or more at halftime, the score is cleared to zeros before the halftime free throws. Here are the defensive rules for the 8 and 9-year-old division. In the first quarter, teams are required to play a half-court 2-2 zone defense only. In the second quarter, teams are required to play man-to-man defense only. In the second half, teams can either play a 2-2 zone or a man-to-man defense, coach's choice. No double teaming or trapping is allowed. No pressing is allowed, so teams must fall back to half court to play defense.